Now the next experiment is this is our experiment number 8. Use of Lissajous pattern for frequency measurement. Use of Lissajous pattern using Lissajous pattern frequency measurement. Okay. Now see here, first thing, already we have seen how to measure the frequency by using simple way in the previous experiment number 6 and 7. And simply there is one function generator, only one function generator. From this function generator you have to adjust sine wave at a particular amplitude and frequency, then it is given to the channel 1, then see the waveform, and from this waveform measure time, and accordingly you can calculate the frequency. This is about a simple experiment. That was simple experiment. You can measure frequency. Right now it is like different and something or what we can say, there is some complications, and it is very sensitive to find out the frequency by using Lissajous pattern. Now first thing, what is the procedure? Now say this is my function generator 1, adjust at 1 kilohertz. This is procedure. Function generator 1, adjust frequency at 1 kilohertz, and it is given to the channel 1, or it may be channel 2. This is channel 1, and you know what are the different controls, and there is one knob. I will tell you here which knob we have to select for getting the Lissajous pattern here. This is function generator number 1, connect to channel 1. Second function generator, it is connected to channel 2. Function generator 1 kept at frequency 1 kilohertz. You can adjust anywhere, but for simple way, for calculation, for easiest calculation, you can select 1 kilohertz. And this is my unknown frequency. But here you can observe what is frequency. Here you are applying to this CRO. It is 5 kilohertz, right? Now same value should be coming from this side by using this measurement. Now प्रोसीजर मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि 2 फंक्शन जनरेटर चाहिए, 1 फंक्शन जनरेटर चैनल 1, सेकेंड फंक्शन जनरेटर चैनल 2. Channel 1 kept frequency at constant level, and this is unknown frequency. You can change this frequency by using this knob. There is one fine knob and coarse knob. And if you want to change amplitude, now by using this knob you can change the amplitude. Now different waveform you can select. This is a analog type function generator, simple function generator. There is no display here, that was digital. And this is my range, that is 10 kilohertz, 100 kilohertz. Depends on this knob, you can select the range of that frequency. कितनी frequency मुझे adjust करनी है. यहाँ पे 10 है मतलब maximum I can adjust 10 kilohertz maximum. If you are selecting this knob, 100k knob, then maximum frequency you can adjust up to 100 kilohertz. Now similarly 1 megahertz. This is the frequency selector knob, means range. Frequency है तो open रखा है. If you want to measure amplitude of that waveform, now push this knob. यहाँ पे display आपका amplitude होगा. Means you can simultaneously see by frequency also directly. This is frequency, and amplitude also, and it is in terms of peak to peak voltage. Frequency, this is my function generator. But this is unknown frequency, and I want to measure this frequency. Whatever frequency will be applying here, same should be getting here. Then my readings are okay. Now after that मैंने बोला कि यहाँ से मैंने चैनल 1 कनेक्ट किया, then connect to channel 2. But it is very important thing, see here, you have to select this XY mode. If XY mode अगर नहीं है तो आपका waveform चला जाएगा. See, this is XY mode. मैं XY mode अगर प्रेस करता हूँ, then and then we get here Lissajous pattern. These are the number of loop. Now this loop, it is continuously moving. Now I am selecting, see here frequency. मैं frequency थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर change करता हूँ तो adjust हो रहा है, right? Now what is the procedure here? You have to count how many horizontal loops, means horizontal tangent, and how many vertical loops. Actual में just pause for little time.